Hi, and welcome to Blues Garden. This is my final potato harvest of 2023. Potatoes are a favorite crop. They're easy to grow. In fact, almost no maintenance. About a month before St. Patrick's Day, I start putting potatoes aside to chit out, which means let them get little eyes. In my grow bags, 25-gallon grow bags, I put a couple of inches of soil, and then I place the potatoes with the chits, the little eyes growing. After about a month or so, you start to see some greens coming in. After a couple of months, you've got a lot of greens. Soon enough, you start to see some of the leaves dying back after a few months. For me, this works out to be close to July. I plant them March 17th, and sometime around the first week of July, I actually start to see the plants die back, and that's when I know it's time to start ripping out the plants and digging through and sorting for my first potato harvest. After I harvest, I'll immediately plant a second batch. For me, I like the grow bags because they're easy to simply flip up into a wheelbarrow or onto a tarp. For me, the wheelbarrow is fine. And then sort through and start sorting out the potatoes. In this bag, I grew a couple of different varieties. I grew some Red Bliss and some Russian Blue. The Russian Blue all rotted. It was a very, very, very wet summer, and so I lost a lot of I had a lot less harvest, and I lost quite a lot of my plants due to the rains. The potato, unfortunately, some of it must have rotted away, those seed potatoes. As I mentioned, I immediately replant afterward in July and refresh the soil and all. And then I have a second batch, which I'm harvesting right around now. Similar, into the wheelbarrow. All three of my 25-gallon grow bags. And I start sorting. And as you can see here, I've got some Yukon Golds that I were growing in this bag. This was 3 more bags, and as I mentioned, some Yukon Gold, some Red Bliss. I didn't replant the Russian Blues as I didn't have any more of these. That's a real nice size one there that came out. And that's it, just very similar. You just pull the deads, sort them through, and then start pulling out the potato. Some, as you can see, are a decent size, and some are fairly small. The Yukon Golds grow much bigger. Thank you, and please share the video. It really helps us all out. Share this to friends. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blues Garden tips.